Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry I'm not there today. Had to take the day off. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys how you're going to be doing your research. I know we've talked a little bit about research, and I just said, kind of look some of your information up online. But I wanted to kind of go step by step through it so you can kind of see what it means to actually do the research. So as you guys really know pretty well how to go through your books, so I don't want to focus on that. I kind of want to focus on the online, how to search online. So if you open up your research notes, and that's available through Google Classroom, and then you're going to be going down. Now you do have your questions that you're going to be asking yourself as you're doing your research, like who discovered or invented whatever thing you're talking about. For mine, it's lightning, and that lightning is actually electricity. So I'm going to be searching some of those different things. Who discovered lightning? I'll be saying who discovered lightning. Who what did he actually discover? How did he discover it? That kind of thing. So I wanted to show you how to research it, and then also find your information and put it into this web address right here so that you can go back to it later when you're doing your actual report, and you don't lose that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and do this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find out who discovered lightning, or who discovered that lightning was electricity. And actually, I already know that through my through our reading when we talked about Thomas Jefferson, and I know that he's the one that did it. Let's do a little bit more research on that and see. There were some other people that also helped. So I'm going to go to the internet. When it comes up, let's see here. Just get out of some of that stuff. And I'm going to just, right in the top, right up here in the address bar, I can actually do my search from there. So I'm going to type in who discovered lightning. And it probably will come up. Here we go. Who discovered lightning? Right here, right on the top thing, it says Benjamin Franklin was interested in lightning. He discovered many things about it in 1772. He was the first to show that a thunderstorm let out electricity. In his book, he suggests an experiment to test it. So that's one place we could look. We could also go down and who invented lightning. I don't know if one of those ones. Now, right here is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a good place to kind of start, but I don't want you to use that as a source, because Wikipedia can be changed by anybody, anytime, and it usually is a pretty good place to start, but it's not a good place to source. So we're not going to do our sources from there. So let's go down a little bit. Let's see, Benjamin Franklin Institute, Franklin Lightning Rod. I know that Sierra S is going to be looking at that. That might be something she might want to look into. Here's one, Gizmodo. Exactly 261 years ago, Ben Franklin flew his kite in a lightning storm. I'm going to take a look at that one and see what that has. Oops, sorry, I can't open the page. Well, I think that one's a blocked one, so I'm going to have to look somewhere else. Who discovered electricity? Maybe that might be it. Let's look at that one. This looks like it might be a good one. Have you ever wondered who discovered electricity? This looks pretty interesting. So, natural discovered. Let's see. See if there's anything. Here we go. In 1572, Franklin conducted his famous kite experiment in order to show that lightning was electricity. He flew a kite during a thunderstorm. He tied a metal key to the kite string to conduct the electricity. This looks like a really good source. So if I really like the source, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up. I'm going to show you how to do how to copy and paste this page. So what you can do is you can click on the web address right up here. So I just clicked on that, and it highlighted this. And then if I go up and I just hold on to it, I'm going to try it, and then it'll come up like that. And it says cut or copy. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to double click on my home button. I'm going to go back to my page. And also, if you want to, you could actually do split screen if you wanted to. And then down here in web addresses, you got to type on that, click on there. So I got to get this one going. There we go. Click on it, hold it, and then tap paste. And there it is. Now, when I want to go back, I could just copy that and it'll take me right back to that. Okay, so that's who discovered it, Benjamin Franklin, when it happened. Then I would do the same thing with some of the other ones. What did he actually discover? That one source would have it. So I just kind of take a look there. So that's kind of what I want you to do with your research. Go ahead and research different things. Also, make sure that you research some of the other discoveries that were based on the discovery that you did, or the invention that you did. Because, for instance, lightning was discovered, but because of lightning, it made the discovery of batteries possible. Okay, so there's a lot of other things that go on to that. So I want you to make sure you check that out. Okay, you probably should have, 3 or 4, maybe 5 different web addresses that you can go to that would be a good source for your information. Okay, I hope you guys are doing a good job for our sub, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Okay, bye-bye.